Okay, so in this video, we're going to go through linear sequences and how to find the nth term of the sequence. The nth term of a sequence is just the formula for that sequence, and we need to figure out what the formula is. So far you've been filling into a formula to find the terms in a sequence, but this time we're going to work backwards and we're going to find the formula after being given the numbers that are in the sequence. It's the nth term of a sequence. The other way they can ask you this question is write the formula TN equals AN plus B for a particular linear sequence, or find the nth term of a sequence. Now, the formula we use is this one here, and this is in your log tables. You do not need to know this off by heart. You will have this on the day of your exam. So example 1. Write down the nth term of the following sequence: 2, 7, 12, 17, 22. Now, the very first thing we need to do is find the difference. So what is it going up in? So the difference between 2 and 7 is 5. The difference between 7 and 12 is 5. The difference between 12 and 17 is 5. And the difference between 17 and 22 is 5. So what that tells us is D, the difference, is equal to 5. A is always first number, so A is equal to 2, and we leave N as it is. So we'll start filling in. We have T of N is equal to A plus N minus 1 times the difference, and we're going to fill into that. So T of N is equal to A, which we know is 2, plus N minus 1 N minus 1 times the difference, which is 5. So 5 goes here. So all we need to do now is just tidy this up. So we're going to multiply out the bracket. So we need to multiply 5 by N and 5 by minus 1. So T of N is equal to 2 plus 5 times N is 5N, and 5 times minus 1 is minus 5. 2 take away 5 is minus 3. So our final answer is T of N is equal to 5N. As I said, 2 minus 5 is minus 3, and that's the final answer. Okay, take that down as an example into your copybooks, please. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, example 2. Write down in the form T of N equals AN plus B a formula for the following sequence. So we write down over here the formula that we get in our log tables, which T of N is equal to A plus N minus 1 times D, which is the difference. Now, A is always the first number. Okay, I'm just going to write down here that A is equal to 7. And the second thing we need to find is D, which is the difference. So what is this going up in? So the first time we add 7 to get to 11, we add 4. To get from 11 to 15, we add 4. From 15 to 19, we add 4. And the last one, to get from 19 to 23, we add 4. So our difference is the same each time. So our difference is 4. Now we fill that in to our equation over here. So T of N equals, I found that A is equal to 7 plus n stays the way it is minus 1 times the difference, which is 4. So 4 goes here. Now we tidy this up by multiplying the 4 by n and the 4 by minus 1. So t of n is equal to 7 plus 4 times n is 4n. 4 times minus 1 is 4 minus 4. So t of n is equal to 4n, stays the same because it's on its own. There's no more n's that we need to add on. And we can add the 7 and the minus 4. So plus 7 minus 4, this gives us a positive 3. 7 take away 4 is just 3. And that's the final answer. Okay, pause the screen, take this down as a second example into your copybooks. Okay, so pause the screen here again, and these are the 5 questions I want you to do into your copybooks. Once you have it done, take a picture of your work and upload it in the assignment area on Teams.